Hey, this is Isaiah over here at realthread, and today I want to talk about large over-the-seam printing. All right, so what is over-the-seam printing? Well, it's in the name. It goes over the seam. The print starts on like a normal print, but it goes over the seam. And to kind of explain that a little bit more, typically what we recommend is 13 by 18. That is probably about the max print that we would recommend. Now, in some cases, we can expand that and go 17, all right, by 21, which is going to be down here. So typically why we recommend 12 by 18 is because when you're doing a bulk order, if you have extra smalls to XXX, it will be tough to get the same print, same size on one order if it was at our max at 17 by 21. All right, now over the seam is just a tad bit different. All right, I'm gonna show you a few examples that I have here. So over the seam printing as of right now tends to be really popular amongst our streetwear and church customers, but it's obviously not limited to. Anyone can get this. So I'm gonna show you two examples that I have right here that we did very recently. So as you can see, very nice big back print. Before the seam, we're looking at about 16 inches, and this is a size small. All right, but with it going over the seam, we're hitting about 19 inches across right here. All right, so very different from 12, which would end right here, here to here. This would be 12. All right, and this one goes about 23 inches. So 23 inches from end to end right here. And so how we accomplish is that we have specialty pallets to do this. So I'll take a look at this shirt real quick. This is a bigger back print, but it's not over the seam as you can see. And this we would use our standard pallets that we use every single day. All right, so as you can see from end to end, yeah, just a little over 15 inches. It's under our recommended, which is 18 inches. So this we would use a normal standard pallet, right? Now for this shirt, we have bigger pallets that we use that are designed specifically just for over the seam printing. As you can imagine, even though we have had a lot of practice and that we've come really skillful and very confident that we can accomplish over the seam printing with our eyes closed, it still does come with some difficulty. We cannot print as quickly as we can print normal things. So it does take about 3 times to 4 times as long to print these items. And so that is accounted for in this extra cost. Now, if you do like over the seam printing, we can get it done for you. If the extra costs, if you're intimidated by the extra cost, you can, just go with our max recommended, and you can still get a beautiful print, a beautiful big back print or front print. But if you're specifically looking for an over the seam, something unique, something special, something a little bit different that you don't see every day, whether it's for your church or your streetwear brand, hey, I highly recommend it. It looks great. If you have any questions, if you are interested in getting some over the seam printing, reach out to realthread.com, reach out to one of our account managers. They'd be happy to help you. Take care.